everyone, and welcome to Exquisite Blossoms. And today we will be repotting Dendrobium stratiotes. So let's begin. So I noticed a few strange things happening to this orchid. So I'm not sure if she is going dormant or if this orchid does go dormant, but slowly she has been losing her leaves. But the way she's losing her leaves, they're kind of different. They are somewhat turning black and then they fall off. So she's already lost a few and she's on her way to losing this one. But then I also noticed on her newest growth that her leaves, one of her leaves are turning yellow. So I'm not sure exactly what is going on with this orchid, but we'll have to definitely take a look. So she was packed in orchid bark, I believe, or fir bark. Also, as of recent, her cane has, one of the older growth has turned yellow and somewhat mushy. So I will definitely be cutting this cane off. So since the bark is just not falling off, I'm just going to go give her a soak and I'll be right back. So I had the stratiotes soaking in some water and I was finally able to remove the orchid bark. So the orchid bark was actually really well established on the roots, so it took longer than expected. So that's why I just did it off camera. I still haven't managed to get all the bark out from in between, but as soon as I start cleaning up the roots, maybe it would be slightly easier just to get in between and get the rest of the bark out. Okay, so here we have her root system. She has really massive root system. So I'm going to go wash her off, clean her up, and spray her down with some hydrogen peroxide, and I will be right back. So she's been washed. I'm going to spray her down with hydrogen peroxide, and the spots where I've cut the cane, right there, there, and right here, I'm going to be adding cinnamon powder. So I'm gonna just place her down and let her do her thing. I'm just gonna go get the cinnamon powder and apply them to the open wound. So she's going to be repotted in a 6-inch pot. So then I'm going to put her through a self-watering system. So I'm just going to place her through there. Okay, so that's one right there. And I have the other one right there. I'm going to pass it through. Okay. So here we have the 6-inch pot with a self-watering string. And this orchid is going to be potted in leca and pumice. So the bottom layer is going to be leca and with the top layer of pumice. Okay, and we're going to put the older cane towards the back and the newer growth towards the front. Okay, I'm sorry about that. It took me about a minute to realize that my camera died. Now I'll just be adding a top layer of river pebbles. Okay, now I'm just going to run her underwater and I will be right back. So here we have Dendrobium stratiotes repotted. So currently I do not have a decorative container to place her in, so right now she's just sitting on a plastic tray until I get a pot that's big enough that she could sit in. As for the leaves, I'm not sure if this will change over time. I mean, this is not going to go back to the way it was, but I hope that it stops whatever was causing the orchid to start losing her leaves like this. As for the other growth, the leaves, they're just turning a weird brownish black color. And then she doesn't even completely turn yellow, and her leaves drop off. So here is the one that has the best example of what's actually happening to her leaves. They just turn black like that, and then they fall off. So hopefully repotting this orchid and cleaning out her roots and stuff helped this orchid out. I'll have to just check her out day by day, weekly or so, and see if she's doing better. If not, then there might be something wrong with this orchid and I just have no clue what it is just yet. So here we have Dendrobium stratiotes fully repotted in pumice and mica. And I believe that's about it, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have an exquisite day. Bye!